But it's a shocking design.
What's wrong with it?
It's not winding. It worked. It worked for 24 hours. Now you
Yeah.
can't wind it up, but you can't see either way. I think it's jamming on the stop work. There's a bar that comes across so you can't overwind it.
Alright.
But it's so far underneath that you can't bloody well see it. Yes, it's jammed under it. I can see his bloody thing has missed.
Mm.
It's actually missed. I can actually see that. How the bloody hell has that gone underneath rather than come? It's supposed to have butted to stop it going now.
It's yet something else that needs care and attention.
This can be a very frustrating job, I can tell you.
I bet.
You think you got something
There
right?
it is, quarter.
Perhaps I'm just getting worse as I get older.
Nonsense.
What I don't